Hi everyone, today we are going to go over how to set up tax locations. From the settings module, you're going to go up to, or down to tax locations right here. And in through here, you can see the way I like to set them up, okay? You're going to go ahead and click new tax location. And I like to use I like to add the percentage rate in there. That way I know if it's an old tax rate or a current one, or what it is, just in general. So I'm going to set that up. And if you want to see the extended version, I go over how to find that and confirm the tax rates, okay? If you are in a location with a special tax rule, you might want to look that up here that, California doesn't have one. And I'm going to go ahead and put the 10.25% there. And I'm just going to go ahead and make everything taxable. If there were other location or other portions that make up this total, I would go ahead and add them. But in this case, California is pretty basic and it does not. If I had more than one tax location, you're going to want to be mindful of these accounts because there are prepaids. Okay, I think, yeah. So you can see that there are prepaid sales tax accounts for sales tax that gets prepaid. Okay. If I had multiple tax locations, I'm going to make sure that it's the right one. And these are also for local percentages if applicable. Okay. If you have any questions on what I've just said, let me know in the comments, or I'll leave the link and you can watch the extended version for how to set up all the stuff that you need for your sales tax. Thanks.